So here at TeeCal, we like to send out updates once or twice a year maybe that will be new features or fixes, whatever it may be. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you exactly how to update your TeeCal. Two things first we need to do is we need to verify that we have a new backup. Always have a fresh backup, and make sure that TeeCal is not running. Very important. An additional thing is if you're using a server and you have clients connected to that server, we need to make sure that TeeCal is off on all systems, and we want to update our server first, then our clients. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First thing I want to do is I want to make sure of where I have TeeCal loaded. If you went to the default location, you're fine. You're just going to double click the executable and you're going to click next, next, next all the way through. If you think maybe you're not in the default location, go to TeeCal here on your desktop. I want you to right mouse click on properties. When that comes up, it's going to show you exactly where TeeCal is located. So you may see TeeCal or program files x86/TeeCal, or maybe just program files. But this is where your information or your program is located. So let's go ahead and I have the executable right here. I've downloaded this from our website, and I'm going to double click it, and it's going to check your system and make sure that you have what's necessary to run TeeCal, and we'll just click OK. It happens very quickly. It's going to verify that I have Adobe Reader. I do have it because I'm running it, so I'm going to click exit, and now I'm going to just go next through this, and I'm going to agree to the terms, hit next, next. This is telling me right here where it's going to load, and if you saw my target, this matches my target. I'm going to see program files TeeCal. If you have it in a different location, now is the time to select this change button and specify exactly where your TeeCal folder is located. So then we'll hit next, and we're just going to go next through this. And now what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and update my system with the most current that we have. So again, just so that you know, make sure that we have a backup. Make sure TeeCal is not running on any computer that you may have tied in. Load this first on your server computer, then load it after that. Load it on your client's computer. It's very simple. If you have any doubts or questions, you can email and ask, and we'd be more than happy to help you. And that concludes this video. It'll go ahead and it'll load up, it'll update. This will say update successful, then I fire up TeeCal and I'm good to go. So thanks for watching.